Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Imran Ali and you are watching my YouTube civil engineering channel. Today I will teach you how to find out quantity of brickwork in building construction along with mortar, cement sand ratio and quantity according to drawing. So guys, before we start our today's topic, if you are new on my channel, you are requested to please subscribe my YouTube channel and must press bell icon so that you will get updated with my new videos. So guys, this is chapter number 2, estimation, and lesson number 4, how to take off quantity of brickwork, mortar, cement and sand. So guys, as you can see on the right side of the screen, I have shown a cross-section drawing of a brick masonry wall and its foundation steps. And on the left side of the screen, I have already prepared a table in which I have taken off quantity of brickwork in cubic meters according to the dimensions shown on the drawing step by step from bottom to top of the wall. Suppose length of this wall is 5 meter and take a look of serial number 1 in table according to the drawing. Step 1 of foundation have width 85 cm and depth 50 cm. So measurements of step 1 will be 1 number into length of wall 5 meter into width of wall 0.85 meter into depth of wall 0.5 meter. By multiplying all these dimensions, we will find out quantity 2.125 cubic meter. In the same way, in serial number 2 and 3, I have taken off quantity of step 2 and 3 of foundation from bottom to top order. In serial number 4, I have taken off quantity of wall which is 9 inch or 23 centimeter wide. This is how you can take off quantity of each and every wall and foundation shown in the drawing of your building or house. After taking off total quantity of brickwork, which is in serial number A of my table 8.093 cubic meter. Next step is to find out total quantity of bricks required. For that we have a simple formula. 1 cubic meter of brickwork is equal to 477 bricks. So we have to multiply total quantity of brickwork with 477. Hence in serial B of my table we find out 3860 numbers of bricks. In serial C, I have taken off total quantity of mortar required for brickwork. For construction of 9 inch wide wall, 25% of total quantity of brickwork is required for mortar. So according to this formula, we find out 2.02 cubic meter quantity of wet mortar. Next step is to find out quantity of cement and sand to prepare required quantity of wet mortar. For that we have to find out dry volume of mortar first. That comes by multiplying wet mortar with 1.33. Means we have to increase wet volume 33% more. Hence we find out dry volume of mortar 2.69 cubic meter. The mix ratio of cement sand mortar for brickwork depends on type of bricks and the intended use. The most common ratio is 1 part cement to 3 parts of sand. Now by applying 1:3 mix ratio on dry volume of mortar, we will find out quantity of cement and sand as under. Formula for quantity of cement will be dry volume of mortar divided by 4 multiplied by 1, from which we will find out 0.673 cubic meter quantity of cement. By multiplying 0.673 cubic meter with 35.32, we will find out quantity of cement 23.76 in cubic feet, and by dividing quantity 23.76 cubic feet by 1.25, we will find out 19 bags of cement, because volume of one bag of cement is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. And formula for quantity of sand will be dry volume of mortar divided by 4 multiplied by 3, from which we will find out 2.018 cubic meter quantity of sand. And by multiplying cubic meter with 35.32, we will find out 71.28 cubic feet quantity of sand. So guys, if you have listened my today's lecture carefully, I believe that you will be able to find out quantity of raw materials like brick, cement and sand for brickwork while estimating construction of your house or building. If you still have questions in your mind, feel free to comment me. Again, I will request you to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.